What's going on, guys? And today we got a shipment from one of our viewers here on YouTube. They emailed us asking if we could repair a MacBook, and they said they're gonna ship it out, and we just got it in today. Let's get started. Alright, so this is for one of our viewers here on YouTube. Thank you again for sending this over. We always appreciate your business. They did request for us to make a YouTube video out of this. So these are pretty much standard repairs. This is going to be a simple screen replacement. Okay, so first things first is unscrewing the 10 P5 screws. Okay, so once we've removed all the screws on this model, you can just pop right off. So if you've been watching my other videos, you should know by now, always unplug the battery. That's the battery right there until it comes right off. There it is. And once that's off, just kind of push it up just to make sure it's not going to be affecting anything there. Now we have to remove this antenna. Once we remove that antenna, we'll unscrew these hinge screws and then remove the screen. So let's get started. So these screws right here, the majority of them are T4. So this is a T4 bit. We'll start off by removing, actually, that's a T5. You want to always make sure you put downward force when you're unscrewing. Like push down, basically. That's very important. If you don't push down while you're screwing, you can strip the screw. And trust me, you do not want to strip the screw. If you do strip a screw, it can cause a lot of damage because you can't continue on with the job, and you may have to do other insane ideas to remove that screw from its location. So, always downward force. Okay, once that's removed, we'll see if we can remove this shield. T5 also works. This is the display cable. Did you see how that flew? The screw is somewhere right here. Got it. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug it now. That's unplugged. Go ahead and remove the antenna. Also T5 works. Very nice. And when you're unplugging these antennas, always do it from the metal bracket, not the cable. They're very delicate, you can easily rip them. Now that we've unplugged the LCD cable, unplugged the antennas, we're going to remove 2 more black screws, and this large antenna piece should come right off. Just like that. This is the piece that we want to remove. I like to just find a place where I can kind of just pry up. And then same here from the left side. I'm gonna keep prying here. You don't want to pry too hard. You don't want to break it. But sometimes it could be a little annoying, just like that. That's it. This is the antenna. We'll put this aside. And now we're gonna remove 4 of the 6 screws that's holding down the hinge. And that is, I believe, the T8. I like to do the left and right, and then keep the center screwed in. But you can do any orientation. And that's what I've been doing for years now. Downward force, don't forget. Once you've removed 4 of the 6 screws, you still have 1 screw holding down each hinge. You'll open it up, fully open up, and then remove the last screw holding down each hinge. We've removed all the screws holding down the hinge, and now we just kind of just pop right off. That's it. This is the old screen. All right, this is now the new screen. Actually, let's bend these hinges back as far back as they can go. It allows it to install a lot easier. Cable is on the inside. Good. Now we'll do the reverse. We'll screw in only one screw per hinge. And the next screw. Now we close. And we'll screw in the last remaining 4 screws, 2 screws each side. Let's put back the antenna. All right, very good. I'll put that down. Let's screw in the black screws in place. That's the first screw. And this is the second screw. Very good. Let's go ahead and plug in those antennas. Be very delicate with them and make sure they're in place before you actually push them down. So I like to use some tweezers, and this helps position it as perfect as you can get it. And then I'll use the other end of the tweezers and push it down until you hear that clicking sound. Let's plug in the LCD cable. LCD is plugged in. Screw in the shield for the LCD. And we've got 4 more screws left holding down the antenna. Probably took us about, what, 15 minutes? Let's see how long this video is. 1 more screw. And we're done. Battery has been plugged in. Let's close the back. Go ahead and test and see if it works. Oh, there it is. Okay. So it just took a while for it to turn on. Hopefully you guys, well, there it is. It is fully functional. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you again for sending this laptop out, our YouTube viewer. We appreciate your business, and if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for new videos here in the future. So we'll see you guys on the next one.